Yo, what's up, y'all? Today's a hot day, so I didn't want to exert myself too much. So I kind of relaxed after a while. I relaxed after a while because I didn't want to exert myself too much during the heat. That's what you should do. You stay hydrated and stay in the AC when it's really hot. Work in the morning and at night if you're gonna do anything. Work on stuff. It's not that hot. But today, I want to tell you guys that, like, doing something like a project, right? So, like, cleaning, for example, you want to, after you get done cleaning, get, like, this high, you get this, like, not from anything like that, but, like, so, not from, so, like, you get a high after where it's like, hey, I accomplished this thing, you know what I mean? So, like, after you get done cleaning, it's like you just completed a really cool, like, task, and then, like, your room's all clean, you feel better, you got more space, you could put things there, blah, blah, blah. There's a whole bunch of stuff, you know what I mean? So, like, you know, cleaning is a good thing to do, And I was actually dating a girl that is really good at cleaning. She know how to do it, and, like, she was teaching me and stuff. You know what I mean? And what do you call it? So yeah, just basically today I was just trying to tell you that if you kind of clean up, and then whether you do something else to where more beneficial and more what do you call that? Beneficial, productive, rather than just playing a video game or just watching a movie or just doing it's like whether you clean the dishes, whether you clean your room, whether you clean the bathroom, take out the trash, kitchen, do your thing, and or whether it's projects, you feel me, work projects, whether you got work to do, or whether you go out to work, So I'm just spreading the positivity about it, how accomplished you feel afterwards, after a good time of setting out time to take care of certain, like, a goal, or something, a project, to where you feel better afterwards and it makes you feel accomplished, you know what I mean? So yeah, basically this video is about you're having a goal, setting a goal, and then basically accomplishing that goal, and how you feel accomplished and how you feel good after, So set out some things, set it out during the day, way to take care of it, So, yeah. Write it down if you got to, and always try to write stuff down to where you remember, like, what you want to do and stuff, because that helps. So, like, write it down, write what you want to do down, and then take care of it when you got the time and energy to take care of it. Try to conserve your energy for, like, then, like, you got to play later, or you got to play, whatever. So it's all good, you know what I mean? So, alright, man, love unconditionally, you feel me? But like, and also be smart. Be smart. Be smart and love unconditionally. I love y'all. Alright, God bless y'all. Alright, later. Yahuwah loves you. Later. I just got 2 new hats. See you then. Peace.